welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to do the tortoise shell look on your nails. I'm going to do it with a bit of a twist though, so stay tuned for that. But what we're doing here is just applying the base coat, and then we're going to go ahead and select a brown, like a dark brown, and a black gel polish. I'm going to prep those colors on a paper plate, or plastic would be better, just a tip or a hint there for you. But yeah, we're just prepping and laying the groundwork for now, and then we'll go ahead and continue after that. So now what we're going to do is use this beautiful sort of Kelly green from Beetles, and I will link this in the description along with all of the other products that I use today. And we're going to do this on the thumb, index, and half of the middle finger. I'm going for sort of an ombre look, and you'll see what I mean later on, but we're going to do 2 coats of this, curing for 60 seconds in between each coat under your UV lamp. So the next thing we're going to do is paint the remainder of our nails with this sort of sheer amber brownish color. I will definitely have the link to this in the description box as well, but this is an important foundation for your tortoiseshell nails. We're going to do 3 coats of this, curing for 60 seconds under the lamp. And as you can see here, I'm just painting the other half of that middle finger. And don't worry if some of the polish gets on the green, because we're going to cover that up with some gold foil. So we're going to do 3 coats of this, curing for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. next thing that we're going to use is blooming gel. So what this is going to do for your nails is it's going to allow the colors to bleed together and sort of expand. So you're going to apply one coat of this to your nails and do not cure after this. Once we apply the first coat or the one coat, we're going to use that brown color as a foundation, and we're sort of just going to blot it in big dots. Now, this nail here, I did sort of a medium blend, so the black and brown dots are not as big, and this is one way that you can do it. After I apply this color, I'm going to go ahead and put the black directly on top of those brown spots to sort of create that animal print and tortoise shell look. I also went back and added a darker brown to the look because I didn't really care for how the first brown that I put on that plate looked. But as you can see, the gel is expanding, and you want to continue to add the black on there until you get your desired look. Now the second method of doing this is going to be adding 2 layers of blooming gel. So just like the last nail that we did, we're going to start with 1 layer of blooming gel, and then we're going to add the brown as the base. So I also made the dots a little bigger and added a couple more to give more coverage. So just a tip, the bigger and the more brown you add, you're really going to start getting that tortoise shell look as opposed to animal print, as you can see. And with that gel, it's expanding. Now right here, we're going to cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to add another coat of that blooming gel. And once we add another coat of the blooming gel, then we're going to put the black paint on top of the brown. This will allow the black paint to expand even more because that brown gel is not mixing with the blooming gel. This is my favorite method because I really get that tortoise shell look, and all of the colors really mesh together really well, and they expand really well. And it also reinforces the nail because you're adding even more coats of the gel. All right, one more tip here. The longer you allow the blooming gel to sit, the more those colors are going to blend together. So you don't want to put the blooming gel, then the color on top, and immediately cure. You want to kind of give it, 10 to 20 seconds to really bloom. Now we're going to take that gold foil, and we're going to add this gold foil to the middle of the nail where we have half green and half tortoise shell. And then I'm going to continue to apply tiny specks of gold foil just to give it a little bit of pop, if you will. Once we're done applying the gold foil, you want to make sure that you press down so that it's nice and smooth. We're going to add our top coat, and that's pretty much it. And as a finishing touch, I'm just going to add some cuticle oil to my nails because they're dry from, applying the actual gel extension. So once we're done this, the look is complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. One of my favorite things to do in terms of nail designs is animal prints. So alligator, snake, leopard, cow print, they're all coming. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.